All right, yeah, we're out here again at Puyallup Fairgrounds. This is the second swap meet, and we're kind of in the calm between the storms, checking out the goods. There's supposed to be some motorcycles out here today. Thanks for checking it out. Get your fuel tank right there with it. 1950. Oh, we got the furry headliner. Heck yeah. Lantern dash lighting. And she's a Studebaker. Look at that. You don't see that front end every time. Very often. It's like a freaking missile. Oldsmobile.
56 Olds.
Man.
$20,000.
20,000, huh?
Looks like it's ready to go though.
Yeah. Turnkey. I would bet. There's the particulars. 56 Olds 88. State Patrol exhibit. Yeah, you don't want to be in that crash. Yeah, that's kind of a cool project, huh? That might not be a good fit, but you know, just time and money. And at this stage, I say the most important thing is freaking time. Just don't get that back. Here's another thing. This one, there you go. This one's more turnkey.
36 Dodge.
36 Dodge, huh? I like that. I like that. Not too cherry, a little
Make off.
orange peely, but you know what? It presents. You can live with that. Make offer. There's the particulars. Guy might really be able to buy that right.
1952 Chevrolet.
Make offer. Looks like he's starting at 5K. Here in Tacoma, Washington. Puyallup to be exact. Shoot.
That's got a good patina.
That has a lovely patina, doesn't it?
Wow,
Just leave that right alone.
Yeah.
Get in it and drive.
Yeah. How about the cones there? Well, that one piece, we should be able to find that.
Yeah. Yeah, probably right here today. There you go. Front wheel for something.
Yeah.
Got $10. Got a brand new Millville on it. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Look at those things. $750 for the pair. And some birdhouses. Yeah, right? Here's your OCC Schwinn. Chain drive. It's a tiny flathead?
Yeah, it's they're like a 270 cubic inch, something like that.
Oh, is that right?
And there's some, I think it's one of their first ones from back in the 30s.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at
the distributor on
Yeah.
that. Wow. Pretty nice Olds Cutlass. Got the fancy hood. Excuse me, man. Looks pretty decent. $18,000. There's the particulars. Look at the skirting on there.
PSA or a Triumph?
Triumph. And it sucks. If you see, I'll turn it around here a little bit. It's all open
There's
primary.
that thing. Man, it's got a long front end on it. Look at that hood.
41 Lincoln.
41 Lincoln, huh? That freaking hood's like 10 feet long. Big V8. Gosh, look at the front end. It's kind of sexy. 22,000. J&S Customs out of Bonnie Lake. Wild looking. All right, there's a must-have sidecar rig for you. That thing.
Thanks, guy. Yeah, thank you. Now I don't have to step over them for another 20 years.
A few spare parts.
Yeah.
It's 100% complete.
Is it really? What is it?
54 Cushman,
It is a Cushman.
step through.
Yeah.
Well, I got to tell you a story. My own.
Shoot, here's another one. Trike Cushman Truckster. Oh yeah. A few interesting motorbikes. It is an American Eagle, huh? Wow, an American Eagle 150. Never seen such a thing. 1970.
Until it's from the
2950.
70s, looking at that body.
Yeah, right? That's pretty special body work. Almost looks like a freaking Aramaki motor. A mini Aramaki. They were kind of rebadged, a lot of them, right?
Oh yeah.
Full Taco Matador. I think we've seen these two bikes last time we were here. Guy had all the trials bikes. It's kind of an interesting ferry. Don Vesco, $650. I'm not sure where you'd source a windscreen for that, but yeah, pretty cool. Front fender too. And the headlight. Oh, and there's the tailpiece for it. Decent. Wow. That'd be pretty cool on pretty much anything you want.
Yeah.
In case you need a tow. Hook onto you with this Metropolitan. Get you haul out of there. 73 Nova. Kind of cute. What's he asking for that? Handles like a Z28, he says. Today only, $18,777. Come and get it. It's pretty nice. Kid size.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are kind of cool to have right now. $125. A bargain at twice the price. 1950 Ford. She's a custom. 22,000. It's nice. So our local motorcycle club has a few bikes in here. It's vintage motorcycle enthusiasts here in Seattle and Tacoma. Puget Sound, pretty much. There's some nice bikes. '66 Bonneville for sale. Luxembourg Wizard. Yeah, that's one of the 200 Colts I bought from Rumbles. Dirk Murphy's got that now. CB160. And the 1964 Honda Dream. Yeah, beautiful. And some other cool antique autos. There you go. Here's the deal of the show. 1980 VT 1100 Shadow, just $850. I bet you could do even better than that. Get her and go, folks. Get her and go. Good for cross country right now. KTM. Yeah, we've seen these bikes. Some more of them trials. Oh yeah. Yeah, some beautiful automobiles in here. Galloping Gertie's Automobile Club. That's who's putting on the event today. I kind of like that. That's kind of my deal. Resto Mod. Flathead Ford. But really, I think that'd be more fun to drive. I'll take one of these. Boss 302. Modern. Well, what the heck is
Doug
it?
just bought that Mecum, I think.
Doug?
LeMay.
Oh.
Part of the LeMay.
Oh, that's part of the LeMay collection. Wow, look at that.
It's all hand built.
What is it? It's a Ford Roadster. Oh man.
It's really weird. It steers from the back.
It steers from the
Got a
back.
straight 8.
Wow, I bet that sucker could come around on you pretty quick if you let go of the wheel, huh? Straight 8. Oh. Buick straight 8. That is an interesting piece. Wow. You got some career swap meet guys here too. And, bless their hearts. They're out here, they're selling stuff. Rows and rows of it. Giant tennis balls. Heck yeah. They're huge.
They're 9.5 inches.
That's big.
They do make
Oh, heck yeah. 6'3" Impala. Oh, order up. Right on. Beautiful T-Bird. Ford. Yeah. Another Ford wagon. There you go. That's nice. Oh yeah, that's better. That's how I like them right there. Beautiful patina. Modern thing, a little Ford rally car. Ford RS. Ford V8. Motorcycle vendor. Steve, he's always got a bunch of goodies. It's part of his spring collection.
Yeah, let me look at it.
Oh yeah, something for everyone.
Yeah, take care.
Okay.
Hi Dirk, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
All right, your aerial's looking sharp over there, man.
It's about like when I got it from you.
It really does. Yep, that's all you have to do is just own it,
Yeah.
right?
That one's got the patina, and the other one, my Bridgestone's the same way. I figure I'm just gonna make it a runner and
Yeah.
the way it is.
Yeah, if they're a whole motorcycle, just leave them alone.
Yeah.
Yep. There you go, right there. There's your ridged, your
Yeah.
ribbed front.
Yeah.
UGS A65. Mm-hmm. A little bit of Springer front end stuff. Some Harley goodies.
We just took a. We went through the garage and okay, I grabbed a couple of things. Next weekend we got 4.
Look at that seat, man. Okay, I like that.
That's next weekend?
Yeah.
Like that one's put together with some square tube. Hey, sir, I didn't do an ending to this video at the fairgrounds of the swap meet, but stick with me till we get back into vintage bikes. We've got all kinds of stuff. We got Honda turbos. We got freaking RZ 350s. We got H2 750s and 500 Cowie triples and cool British stuff, 250 Enduros, TT 500s, H1 500, more H1s. We got all kinds of stuff to work on, to take out and beat on. Another H2 750 to put together. Freaking Triumph Tigers, Suzuki GS 1000s. More Suzuki GS 1000s. A Panhead, chopper, CBX, RD350. But first, I'm going to take out my YZ250 and ride that. Take along pit bike. That's the next thing coming. But thanks for liking and subscribing to Krusty Cycle. Appreciate it. All things motorcycle.